Alright, in this video I'm going to be explaining the GLNG setup. GLNG is a great setup. Targets are $32 to $34 a share. The March 17 30 calls could be used. In this video I will be explaining the facts. Before I talk about the entry and all that and everything else, GLNG is a very high odds setup, but however, a lot of my system, based on what I do, we look for confirmation. One example is Sanex was another great setup, and as soon as it confirmed, it went. This is kind of like a Sanex trade. We need to see follow through now. It's perfectly set up. It has good time frame alignment. And up until this day, I have not been focusing on the stock at all. Okay, this came through my rigorous scans that I look at. It came up in there, and it has to meet a lot of criteria before I recommend anything. This stock is at a pivotal point where it has a high odds to go and test this 32. It could be 31, on the lower end, but 31. 32 to 34 is possible, okay? And we just don't know which one, okay? But one of these targets are possible. In that 31, 32 area on the lower end, and then on the higher end would be 34. And that we'll know as we get the action towards the $30 area. That's how you know things, right? But you can make because we're getting in, we're making profits right away. So now what do we want? GLNG needs to break above 27.25 on some good action volume. Good action volume is 250K on a 10-minute chart. If the volume is not there, basically we'll watch it base above 27.25, look for power towards 27.5 to 27.75. It really doesn't matter. If this stock is going to make a move, if you have to pay for the a little more for the options and to make it for the clarity, again, this could make itself very clear. I will post if it's a buy or not on my stream. This is a strong focus for me because I really think this is a good high odds setup. However, it doesn't matter what I say. Confirmation is key, and I stick to that because I cannot tell you how many times stocks look good. I give you an example. This week Baidu was a solid setup. It could not confirm. And you know what? It ended up fading. Okay? And some people jumped in, for example, and there are people who are, not following my plans. They're losing money because they went long Baidu the wrong time. But anyways, let's go back to let's go take a look at the Yahoo Finance here. So here I am at the Yahoo Finance looking at the March 17. So this is the closing price of January the 20th for GLNG. And just to show you guys, the 30 calls is a 10-cent spread, right? And that's one thing. Before we even take action, if the options don't have a 10-cent spread, then you wait for them to level, and as is trying to confirm, you need one of the keys I can tell people is the options when they start to trade horribly. But you can see there was quite a bit of action happening here, a lot of trading happening in the 30s. Okay, so this is an anticipation of higher prices. Okay, the options are not the only reason. The options are one of the reasons. It's the charts, so. It's the way the stock is aligned, okay? Also, people, we can go to the February 17th. I want to show these as well. Some people could February 7th. Oh, but these are February 7th. You know what? These could be used as well. So, by the way, if somebody wanted to use, they're trading very well, and this is the thing. You could get into these 30 calls if somebody wants to. I prefer but if somebody wanted to use the February 17, you could do these as well. These are very inexpensive. They may confirm at about 50 cents. As for the March, let's go back to the March here. The 30 calls, I project them probably they'd be confirming about $1.20, $1.25, $1.20, $1.30 area, we'll say. Okay. And of course, if the stock was to get to just 30, you're looking at about 100% probably more, and of course we get to 31 or we go higher. This is why could be a possibly it's between 100 to 300% gains and option gains. Okay, so there you have it. So GLN is a strong time frame alignment. I don't recommend things, or I don't make plans unless I see something solid. However, no matter how solid they are, one of my alter filters is confirmation is key. We want to see the follow through. This does need the follow through. We need to continue on. And just to show you something, here's a stock of a Cenex. The day that I talked about the Cenex was this day here, was the 12th. Okay, and this is a similar idea. I mean, it's similar. Okay, is that when they're properly set up, you're going to get follow through, and this is what happened with this stock. Did very well, but this stock was properly time frame aligned. Now, mind you, Cenex, in my opinion, has a better alignment than GL. One second here. Than GLNG. Okay, but nonetheless, the characteristics of these two stocks are very similar. This has also a history of being able to pop $4 or $5 in a week's time period. So it's not, these targets are not unreasonable, and this can pop even more, even more than that. It's kind of ready to pop. GL and G ready to pop, perfect time frame alignment. If you like my videos, you like my plans, if you like my videos, you like my plans, just you follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades. I got a lot of great videos. I also want to share another link with you people who have never seen my website, where you can see a great video on there that really shows my timing skills. I focus on the quality, not the quantity, and I am able to achieve a high win rate of 80% because of that. Check out the videos, as my videos demonstrate that. For example, stocks this week that didn't confirm were Amagen, Baidu, and SLW. But Cenex confirmed from on Friday, and that paid very well. There's been other stocks that have been chopping up higher, like MasterCard. But the thing is that we've been having a very high win rate for January, and it's basically I haven't picked more than haven't posted more than under 10 plans, and the ones that confirmed have been winners. Making some profit. Neither they've been break evens or winners, and this is the key, people. This is a high statistics. Anyways, you want to see a great video of my timing skills, go to here. If you click on this link, let's click on this link, Power Target Trades, and it brings you to my website here. See the nice animation. But what's the key here is this video here that I have. Check this video out. There's a lot of other great videos on my website, such as the February reversal plan. But this one here is a documented where I make the plan, it has to confirm, and we see the options of what they trade before and after. This is a really great video, a lot of learning. These are the gains. You see that right, 300% in 3 days. And this is the reason why we captured great winning trades. Is we focus on quality, not on quantity setups, like the majority of the trading in people out there. The old school way is multiple fishing line. My way is more of a funneling line. I funnel it to the best opportunities, and this is why I'm talking about GLNG, as it's a very high odds setup. Anyways, look for my Sandro Power Trigger Trade. It's going to show up around here. Hit that to subscribe, to automatically subscribe. If you have an issue subscribing, just come to this. Just come here manually and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for listening. Like the video.